In this video, I will show you step by step how you can free transform an image inside Filmora. So for example, I will just go ahead and add an image right here. So if I add this image, drop this into my timeline, what you will notice is that once you click on this, if you want to obviously make it a different size or whatever you want, this will then only allow you to remove this in a rectangular fashion. So if we want to free transform this and move it around and resize it however we want, what we need to do is we need to make sure we double click on this until we get this menu right here. And then where it says transform, make sure this is enabled. From here, what you need to do is go to where this little padlock is, click on the padlock, which will then unlock the free transform feature. Now, as you can see, if we go ahead and make this smaller, you will then be able to free transform and make this shape, a square, a rectangle, or whatever you like, depending on what shape you are trying to free transform. So that's just how simple it is to free transform an image or video inside Filmora.